Hi, my friends. They're doing a Santa Claus helicopter drop here at Norway Town Park. I'm breathing heavy because I've been running. I got here late as usual. I know the parking. I guess you can park. You know, I was concerned about the parking. So anyway, they're going to do a Santa Claus drop here, and so I'm trying to get from getting run over. So anyway, here it comes. There's a helicopter. There it is. See if I can get this, because I'm here late. Here comes Santa, I think. Oh, here comes. Here you go, here. Oh, yeah. Oh, God, hello. Go ahead, guys. I don't want you to laugh. Here we go. Let's see if we can get this. Go ahead, okay, here he goes. Let's see him walk up next to people. Get closer here. Let's say the good female festival. There he goes there. She's excited.
Alright.
Santa coming out of there. Alright, now cool. I never seen a Santa come with a helicopter.
Right.
Have you? I'm not. Have you? It's my first. You have?
My first time too.
Your first time too? My goodness. Wait, oh wait, look, here he's coming. Here he comes. Can't pay attention. Look at that. My goodness.
Yeah, because she's excited to see Santa.
I'm excited too, even though I'm older than you. You know, are you excited? Yes.
Yeah.
Me too. You know, I'm from Colorado, came from all the way from Colorado to see this. We're going to see this everyone. No, it's cool, right? I'll make sure I stand back for skid stuff, right? So, this is awesome. Hey, Santa! Woo! There's Santa. There's Santa. And there's Mrs. Claus. See her? Oh, there we go. Oh, yes! Woo! They both been busy. So your mom, you've been busy too, right? Right. Okay. My friends, this is so hard to hold my heel. It's so hard. That's why I'm jittering. You have no idea. I get my hands full of my keys because I had to run. So I'm doing the best I can. All right. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Oh, I'm really waiting. I don't want to stand from there trying to see. I'm just trying to get my video there. Sorry about that. I'll let them see because they're smaller, younger. Wait. All right. Oh, they're going over there. All right.
Yeah, they're going to go into